Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. Today I'm going to talk about how to fix an error that you might get when you open Outlook. So here's a scenario. You've been using Outlook for years, everything has been fine, your email is hosted in Microsoft 365, so you know the backend is stable, reliable, and all that. But one day you open Outlook and it gives you an error. It doesn't connect. You're not getting new emails. So it stopped working on your handheld, on your PC, on your Mac, whatever devices you have. What happened and why did it stop? I've encountered this a lot of times with a lot of customers of ours. They reach out to us, hey, my Outlook's not working. And then we go into the back end and we look at the logs and we know exactly what happened. Here's the deal. Microsoft is implementing stricter protocols for security. If your account originally was not MFA enabled, Microsoft is doing it for you. They are forcing MFA on your account. The problem is when MFA is enforced, your Outlook may not register you for MFA. So you have to log in through a web browser. So do this. Open up your favorite web browser and go to outlook.office.com, log in with your email and password, and it will walk you through to onboard you into MFA. Once that is done, now go back, open Outlook, put in your credentials, go through the MFA thing, and you're done. It won't ask you again. Same thing on your handheld or any other devices where it was popping up and not letting you log in. So we are seeing this a lot because I think there's maybe a few more batches of customers left for this enforcement. Microsoft's been doing this for, I think, almost a year now, but they're going in batches. So whenever it's your turn for your batch to run, they're going to enforce it in your tenant, and your users might run into this issue. If they do, log in through the browser, onboard into MFA, and you'll be good and you won't have to worry about it again. Plus, you will be a lot more secure going forward. So hopefully that will help you out. If it does, go ahead and like this video, hit the thumbs up, and go ahead and hit subscribe if you want to get notified for new videos. Until next time, everybody, have a great day.